Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Division 2 error code Delta-03. The error reads, "You have been disconnected from Tom Clancy's The Division 2 services. Please check your internet connection status, speed, or Tom Clancy's The Division 2 services status." As per our research, this error occurs when the game fails to connect to the server. Some users experience frequent disconnections, especially when switching devices or platforms. According to our research, the error may be caused by network issues, Ubisoft overlay settings, or temporary problems with the game servers. First, try disabling the Uplay in-game overlay. Some users have shared that turning this off helped resolve the issue. If the error still comes, then power cycle your device along with your router. Then check if the game and system are up to date. After that, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try switching to a different network. You can use another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot and check if this helps. If the error still persists, then visit ubisoft.com/n-gb/help/game/the-division-2 and check if there are any ongoing server issues or scheduled maintenance. If the servers are up and the error still appears, then you try using a VPN. Some players found that using a VPN helped them avoid the error completely. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.